First, I import the data from Excel into Jamovi. I check the data set to ensure that all variables and all 50 respondents were successful transferred into Jamovi. I check missing data using descriptive. The missing column was observed to identify whether there were unanswered questions. I also check for data error by reviewing the demographic variable. Any inconsistent spelling or category was corrected before the analysis. Outliers were checked using box plot. Any extreme value was inspected to ensure that it was not caused by data entry error. normality was checked using the Shapiro test. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, the data is normal. If the p-value is less than 0.05, the data is not normal. For the sport motivation scale, SMS, I follow the manual scoring by calculating the average score for each dimension. The compute variable were eccentric, integrate, identify, introspected, external, and motivated. For the profile of mood state, POMS, I record the response into numerical score from 0 to 4. Then I calculate the subscale and generate the total mood disturbance score using the scoring formula. For demographic data, age was reported using mean and standard deviation. Gender type of sport and sport involved were reported using frequency and percentage. Descriptive statistics were also conducted for intrinsic, integrated, identified, inter-project, external and motivated, and total mood disturbance. So, to answer the research objective, correlation analysis was used to determine the relationship between sport motivation and mood. The sport motivation variables were correlated with total mood disturbance. In Jamovi, I selected regression and correlation matrix. Then I insert intrinsic integrated, identify intro project, external and motivated, and total mood disturbance. The correlation coefficient and p-value were used to interpret the result. If the p-value is less than 0.05, there is significant relationship. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, there is no significant relationship. The R value show the direction and strength of the relationship.